Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. And if it will be very useful if for some reason the screen in your device stopped working, so if it did not respond to any touches and it is just freezed and you actually cannot do anything. So we can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together, and wait until we will see the black screen. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons, ignore all of the notifications you will receive, and wait. I hope it will work. Okay, as you can see, we've got the black screen, and trust me, I felt the vibration. Right now we can see the developer's logo, and we have to, of course, wait a second, and after that the device will be restarted, and probably the screen will get back to its normal state and it will finally respond to your actions, to your touches. So actually, this is it. This is how to soft reset or force restart your Realme GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.